Hi everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So we have another animal one today. It's a horse. So I just have the side view of the head and neck. So we'll get right into it. So we're going to start with the eye. So long face for a horse. Long here, neck comes down to a shoulder and just off the page here. It's a landscape page, just to fit as much in as we can. So the eye is just over here on the left hand side of our page, pretty close to the edge. We just have a bit of a gap for ears and stuff like that. So we're going to do the eyelid line just here. So we go diagonal this way first, and then we thicken that up just to make it look like eyelashes. Just a little bit thicker on this end, like so. And then we're going to curve it around underneath, like that. And then just a little line for a tear duct, curving around just here in the corner, like so. There's an eyelid line just above that, just a little bump for his eyelid, just here. Like so. And if you want, you can colour in the eye dark black and leave a shine, or you can add a colour like a brown or anything you'd like. But sure, I'll just add a white shine and colour it in dark black. Keep things simple, like so. Now, so the long face that we talked about. Why the long face? Because I'm a horse. So we have just beside the eye here, we're going to have a line that comes down like this. So it comes in and then starts to curve out towards the front of the horse's nose. So it curves out and down. So it's like a subtle curve on it. Goes in and out and down. Then this comes down to the nostril, so we're going to bring it around like so. And then inside there we have that big nostril that horses have. One here, line under there. Of course that could be dark inside, normally is. You could hatch it, colour it fully in dark, it's up to you. And then this, we have, touches the lip, so the horse's big lips. So we have a curved line here, and this comes all the way up and into a mouth. Just the line for his mouth, just here. It's got a sort of a gap there at the end. Now, so the bottom lip comes out from that, comes up to here, and then comes around for his chin. Like so. Then we have the bottom of the face, just here. Like this. And then we have that big jaw that horses have, that big curvy jaw. So it goes, it's right like above, the level of it is above his eye even. So it's very big. So it's going to curve real big all the way up. Say like here. It's going to go. About here, like so. And then there's just some lines, some details inside for bones and things and bumps that are on the horse face. So down at the jaw, there's just another line that comes down towards the face here. There's another one that goes straight down beside the eye. So just here. It's like the bump or bone for his nose there. And it sticks out at the bottom a little bit. Then we have some lines around his eye, so we have a bump for just his bottom eyelid. And a line in here, coming around. And then some just coming up around the outside of his eye. And then around the front, just here. Like so. Of course, these are not totally necessary. You could leave them out if you wanted. It just adds an extra dimension to it. It's a bit more detail. Then the front of the horse's brow. So we're going to come up past the eye. We have a bit of a bump here. And then this comes up then towards his ears and hair. A bit of a fringe. So this here comes up towards the ears. So then this ear sticks off this way. So it goes diagonal to about there. And then it's going to come back down like so. So sticking off this way, and it comes back down around his head. So then we have an inner part of the horse here. It's like a piece of skin that comes down here. And then the hair that comes down just from the fringe that comes down here. So you could do the hair many different ways, but it's up to you. You can personalize it basically. But I'll just do a standard fringe. Just coming down here. So it's just, you can start with 2 lines like this, and then you can add a few hair spikes, kind of like so. And then another section maybe that comes down, and then a few that hang down just in front of the horse's face here. Not all horses, of course, have this. The hair is short on some of them, especially domesticated. So if it's on this one, it could be cut along here, or you can have parts that hang down. We can see the other ear just coming off behind that ear here. Just like a triangle coming out this way with a line in it. And now the big line for the neck, so the horse's neck, it goes all the way down, so it curves around from behind the ear. So it starts here, and then it's a big arc. So a big curving arc that comes all the way to about there. Let's see. So it's in line with just the top of his eye about. That's how far we're going to go. So this arc is going to go like so. Starting like that. And then we're going to bring it down. Like this. And then this line is going to continue off my page here. So we're going to go to here and then off, kind of bumping to show some back muscles just there. And then of course the hair that's on top. So in this one it's just, we'll keep it as simple as we can, and we'll just do a kind of a cut hair, kind of a trimmed mane on the horse. So you're just going across, following that shape, adding some zigzags every now and then, right across the top, following that shape, and all the way down to there. And then you can add some just hairlines in various places across, like so. You could keep going, adding as much as you wanted, shading this, adding more and more hair, but I'm going to leave it there. So then the inside of his neck, just down here at his jaw, it's going to curve around like so. Then it's going to meet his shoulder, so we have a bump here, and then another bump just for the top of his leg, like that. And then we can see some muscle lines and things just in here. So the shoulder goes across the side of his body, just here. And then we can see just some faint lines for muscles just there. And then some folds for skin just along here. And of course this is his spine. Is it? No, but there's a line, there's like a bump just here along the back of his neck, just here. So it's kind of just follows that line we drew, like so. And one just coming from his ear there as well. They can join or not, it's up to you. We can see some details just beside his jaw. Some folds for skin just here. Some more lines coming up from his jaw towards his ear. One here too, like so. And then one from his jaw there. And maybe some more here just for muscles of his leg and shoulder. Like this. Of course, these are just extra, you don't have to add these at all. There's a line for his brow just there, and a bit of a V just there. And that's about it. How to draw a horse. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.